Hey everyone, in this video I'm gonna talk about how to display a Twitter feed on your website using the Twitter feed widget of the htmega plugin. By displaying the latest feed from your Twitter account, you can increase the customer engagement. Let's check all the available styles for the Twitter feed widget. Now I'm gonna show you how you can display a Twitter feed in different styles. From the Elementor edit screen, create a section. Now search for the Twitter feed widget. Drag the widget to the section. From the Twitter feed panel, select a style for the Twitter feed. Insert your Twitter username from here. In order to showcase the Twitter feed properly, you'll need to insert the consumer key, consumer secret, access token, and access token secret. Now, if you're thinking about where you would get those keys and tokens, don't worry, I have given a link below from where you can get these keys and tokens. Here, you can insert the number of items you want to show in the Twitter feed. Set the length of the content from here. If you don't want to show these things, you can simply disable the options. This widget will also allow you to display the Twitter feed within a slider. In the slider option panel, you can control all the slider related properties. From the Style tab, you can customize all the necessary styles for this widget. I hope now you can add a Twitter feed on your website easily. If you have any questions regarding this widget, please leave us a comment below. So that's it for this video, and I will see you in the next one.